Welcome to Quality Stream North Minute QI series, where we break down quality improvement concepts into bite-sized pieces. I am Dr. Chui and this is my digital avatar. Today we're talking about one of the most useful tools in healthcare improvement, the PDSA cycle. PDSA stands for Plan, Do, Study, Act. It's a simple, structured way to test small changes and see if they actually lead to better results. Instead of making big changes all at once, PDSA helps us try things on a small scale first, so we can learn what works, what doesn't, and why. Here's how it works. First, we plan. That means identifying a small change we want to test, setting a clear goal, and deciding how we'll measure success. For example, maybe we want to see if sending reminder texts helps patients show up for their follow-up appointments. So we plan to send texts to 5 patients and track who attends. Next is Do. We carry out the plan, send the texts, and start collecting data. This step is about action, but on a small scale. Then comes Study. This is where we look at the results. Did more patients show up? Did the texts make a difference? Let's say 3 out of 5 patients came in. Now we ask, why those 3? And what happened with the other 2? Finally, we act. Based on what we learned, we decide what to do next. Do we keep the change as is? Do we make adjustments? Or do we try something completely different? What makes PDSA cycles so effective is that they're low risk, fast, and flexible. They help teams learn by doing, and because they involve the people closest to the work, like nurses, physicians, and admin staff, they often lead to practical, real-world solutions. Here's another quick example. Let's say we want to improve how medication reconciliation is done at discharge. We plan to test a new checklist with just 1 nurse. She tries it with 2 patients. It works, but she finds it takes too long, so the team shortens the checklist and tests again. That's a full PDSA cycle, quick, focused, and immediately useful. In quality improvement, big changes often start with small tests. That's what makes PDSA cycles so powerful. They let us build better systems one step at a time. Thank you for joining us on Quality Stream North Minute QI. Stay tuned for more insights on enhancing healthcare quality.